एवरीवन, आई एम आस्था कालरा। आई एम अ सर्टिफाइड ट्रफोलॉजिस्ट एंड आज मैं बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के बारे में बात करूंगी, विच इज हाउ टू से नो विदाउट फीलिंग गिल्टी. So first of all, I would like to say that a lot of people, they feel very guilty when they want to say no, and they end up keep doing favors to everybody. They keep doing the work they are asked to do without saying no. And जो ये लोग होते हैं जो no नहीं बोल पाते, again I would like to say that I am not here asking you to say no to everything and everybody. Always evaluate the situation, and जब आपको लगे कि बहुत ज़्यादा आपके एंड से हो चुका है and you feel depressed, you feel frustrated, you feel you're being taken for granted, then I think you should choose wisely and say no. अब no बोलने के बहुत सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं. It's not that you have to say no directly and bluntly and offend a particular person, because हमने ही उस particular अपनी फैमिली के उस मेंबर को या फ्रेंड को वो आदत डाल दी है कि हम हर काम बिना सोचे 2 मिनट में कर देते हैं, no matter how frustrating it can be for ourselves. So the first thing is that don't respond right away. If somebody asks you to do a favor, just tell them that right now I'm very busy and I'll get back to you, I'll let you know, and give yourself time to reevaluate the particular situation कि आप कर सकते हो नहीं कर सकते हो, and then eventually make the right choice. Second thing we can do is that instead of saying no right away, you can say that not now, and then again look at your plate. If it's full, you already are hands full, you have too much of work and you can't do a particular favor to that particular person, then gradually think about it, and instead of saying straight no, you can say politely that abhi aajkal time nahi hai, I'll get back to you. And this is the way, once you will do it again and again, it will be easier for the other person also to digest it, because ekdam se na bolna can actually hamper your relationship. So I would suggest reevaluate a particular situation, then only say yes or no, because I think you need to draw a line somewhere. And if you end up saying yes to everything and everybody, you might feel frustrated, you might feel in the end you might disappoint them as well, because the particular thing you want to do is you are doing half-heartedly. आप जो कर रहे हैं वो सिर्फ इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि किसी और ने आपको कह दिया और मजबूरी में you are doing it. So when you do things half-heartedly, you will not only disappoint them, you will disappoint yourself too. As you can't live to everybody's standards, and you need to be wise next time when somebody come and ask you to say do something for them. Just think wisely, reevaluate the situation, and then say yes or no, and see the difference it can make to you and your relationship as well. Thank you everyone. Do follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, and do get back to me if you have any queries, any questions, and hope you all are safe.